want to pee, but I don't want to go there.
So what do you think about the public toilets in India?
Wow. It's like a shithole. Pun intended.
Not good. Most of them are horrible. I prefer peeing on the road.
It is totally our collective responsibility. हम सब बहनों को साथ में रख के हमें बाथरूम साफ छोड़ना चाहिए क्योंकि जहाँ पे टिश्यू डालना चाहिए वहीं डालना चाहिए.
Slightly messy. I think we can have some more of them. Bit clean, probably. And some maybe a box of sanitary napkins somewhere which is free.
That's asking for a lot.
So I went to Uttarakhand and I did Char Dham. I went to Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, and there were few toilets. They were dirty, but so the woman had the choice of not going to those toilets, but to squat around the riverbed.
Oh God.
And polluting the rivers,
Yeah.
sacred rivers
The
of India.
sacred rivers, exactly.
Yes. So I feel women in rural India needs to be given or should have access to clean bathrooms.
Absolutely.
Like if you have like soiled your seat, or even if you haven't, just take a tissue and wipe your seat maybe and throw that in the bin there.
Correct.
So then the next person doesn't have to, I don't know, air squat.
Yes.
Or you know, just just keep it clean and tidy.
Yeah.
They're messy, definitely messy. But I also think that if we leave it in like a nice way, if we clean up after ourselves, it's our collective responsibility after all. So if we're more responsible, I think we can leave it cleaner, we can leave it nicer for the next person.
If you're using the bathroom and you found it clean, then why not just leave it clean as you saw it also, right? Like,
Exactly.
that's the first initiative that you need to take, is just leave it as you see it at your house. If you see your house is dirty, you clean it up. It's same as public convenience.
Yes, absolutely. This is it.
First of all, there aren't any, okay? Even if there are, I'd rather not use them. I have to plan out my entire itinerary so that I do not have to get in a situation where I have to use a public bathroom.
So we have world-class airports, but the bathrooms are disgusting.
That's true. That's
Why?
true. That's true.
Whose responsibility?
Everyone who uses it.
Yeah.
And it's a tricky problem, and I don't know the solution.
Do you think that they should leave it as they found it?
No! First, it's a very difficult question to be honest, because we find it in a really terrible situation.
Yeah.
So either don't engage with it at all,
Yeah.
or just be hygienic, dude. I mean, just do your part.
Yeah.
Use tissue papers, carry tissue papers with you.
And keep it clean for the next person, correct?
Yep.
I want to pee, but I don't want to go there. It smells! Oh, my pee is coming out. I need a bathroom. Oh God, stop running. It's so yucky. Oh my God, my pee is coming out.